everyone, Faiswabiha here. Today I'll be creating a mixed media wall hanging home decor using Craftreat, stencils and 3D decoupage sheets. This is the design that I'm going to be using today. It's a floral arrangement design, and this set comes with 3 sheets and 2 different types of floral arrangements. I'll start off by fuzzy cutting all the different layers of the flowers. Make sure you use a sharp pair of scissors to cut the flowers and leave no white borders around it. Once I'm done with the fuzzy cutting, I'm moving on to the embossing part. Now it's time to attach the layers using some double-sided foam tape. Here's how the flowers have turned out. Aren't they beautiful? Now moving on to the base, I have used a DIY canvas as my base today, and I'm using different sort of Craftreat stencils to create the background of my wall hanging home decor today. I'll start off by coloring the base in blue and then gradually adding different layers of paints and sprays and using the Craftreat stencils to add the textures. For the focal point of today's project, I'm using this eye stencil from Craftreat, and I'm using black texture paste. I'm using black archival ink to darken the edges, and I'm also using some texture stamps to add some more interest to the background. To make the eyes look more prominent, I'm using some white paint to highlight the borders and corners of the eyes. Once I was happy with the background, I attached the floral arrangements over the top, making it look like floral crown. Now adding some shadows under the floral arrangements. I thought the eyes would look more pretty if I added some freckles. That's why I'm using some black paint and some dotting tool to add some freckles around the eyes. Now adding some clear water drops and glossy accent to make the eyeballs more prominent. Also adding some glossy accent to the center of the flower. Finally tying a piece of rope for the hanging purpose. So here's the finished project. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and bye bye.